Welcome to the J&J Auto Contest video of SECE276. Today we have a 2014 Chevrolet Suburban LTZ. Mocha steel metallic exterior, ebony interior, 150,000 mile, 5.3 liter 4x4, 342 ratio axle. Very clean truck all the way around. Got a nice set of late model wheels on it. Nice power lift gate here. Good shape all the way around. Unfortunately, blew some airbags, so you'll have that on these bigger jobs. Second row captain's chairs, heated because it's an LTZ model. Let's go ahead and fire up the 5.3. Nice, good cranking. We know the airbag's no good. 152,767 miles. 5.3 will be sold as a swap. Motor, belt-driven accessories, ECU, and harness. It's an aluminum one, makes good horsepower. These are the ones you want. Good runner, too. All right. OEM backup camera's working. 6L80 doing its thing. A little Hotel California. He doesn't look a thing like Jesus though. Bose stereo working well. Navigation, as you guys can see. Sunroof works. All the windows are already down. Power folding mirrors. Both working. Driver's side mirror. Passenger side. Remember, he doesn't look a thing like Jesus. 5.3 though, getting some temperature in her, still making great oil pressure. That's a good running motor. That is an LC9 swap if I've ever seen one. I don't know what to say here. Oh, heated ventilated seats, but we got a blown bag, so they're going to end up as parts. But they all work. Trailer brake controller. Wish I had that in my truck. Can't win them all. Alright guys, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Contest video of 273, our 2014 Chevrolet Suburban. You guys know the gig here. If you're looking for parts, head on over to our website. There's going to be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.